What's up guys? Welcome to another video. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Do you want to know an easy way to make money online, like tens and hundreds of dollars a day? It's very easy to set up. Once you have set it up, you can make money over and over again, every single day, even when you're sleeping. Not many people knows about this method. Once you have learned it, you can do this from anywhere in the world. Not only that, you can do it for free. You don't need to pay for anything and there's no investment up front. You also don't need any special skills or special experience. It's very simple and easy. And right now, very important, I want you to pay full attention and watch everything in this video until the end. The first thing we're going to do is go to clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, click on sign up and create your free account. Once you have created your account, head over to the marketplace. There are plenty of offers for you to promote and we are going to select one. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go into health and fitness. This is one of the top 3 most popular niche in affiliate marketing. And let's just look at diet and weight loss. Really, you can do this for any programs, right? There's no, you don't have to do it on a fitness program. You can do this with any programs. You don't need to do it in a fitness, but just for the purpose of this exercise, I'm just showing you the fitness. Now over here you'll see that the programs are sorted by popularity. Now let's say we are looking at weight loss. Now not all the weight loss programs are actually listed inside the health and fitness, diet and weight loss category. You can actually go up here to the top and just type in weight loss. Once you have created your account, head over here to the marketplace and we'll look for a program to promote. So there's really many different programs that you can promote. They all has been nicely categorized in different categories. For the purpose of this video, let's just go into health and fitness. This is one of the top 3 most popular niche. Once you go in, you can see that the offers are sorted by popularity. There's a few things you want to watch out for. The very first thing you want to look at is the gravity, right? You want something that is at least 20 and above. So something like 800 means that it is extremely popular. It's been promoted by many different affiliate marketers, and also that's a lot of conversions. The other thing to note is that you want to look at the initial sales number and also the average sales number. If these two are the same, then basically it is a product that they'll purchase and that's it. Now if you see something that's a value in the average rebuild total or average rebuild percentage, then it is usually a program. So as long as they sign up and they continue to stay on the program, for example, it's like they continue to pay monthly, you will continue to receive commission. So really what you're looking for, it's a combination of gravity, actual amount, the initial sales, the average sales, and whether there's average rebuild. Now you don't need to promote something that has the highest average sales. You really want to promote something that's going to convert easily. So let's say we use something like research the Godzilla of offer. I've actually gone in there, took a look already. It is, the topic is about weight loss. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to find a way to actually promote this. When somebody purchases this, we will actually earn a commission. So every time somebody makes a purchase, we are going to earn $100. 2 people purchase this, we're going to earn $200. 10 people does it, we're going to earn $1,000. Like I said, there's plenty of different offers, right? If you scroll down to the end, there's like 9 pages worth of offers. There should be no shortage of offers for you to promote. And this is just one category. There are plenty of other categories that you can also promote. There are plenty of other categories that you can also promote. They are also popular. Ideally, you want to choose something inside the wealth niche, the health and fitness niche, and also the relationship niche. Wealth niche would likely sit under something like business and investing or e-business and e-marketing, and the relationship niche are generally more scattered. You can find them under self-help, spirituality, new age, and alternate belief. If you don't actually find a nice category for it, you can just type in a keyword and search for it. So let's say relationship, and then you can see what are the categories they're under. Back to our health and fitness niche. So the next thing we're going to want to do is to promote. The way we're going to promote this is we're going to go to a site called Board Panda. If this is the first time you've been to this site, just sign up for an account. It is absolutely free. And basically what we're going to do is that we're going to create posts to promote. Let me give you a bit of background on Board Panda. It is basically a magazine style website where people come if they're bored and read a story. It is very similar to like news site. You know what you're getting. It is something that's going to entertain you, but you really don't know what the actual stories you're going to get. Especially, for example, say like on a news site, you're just going to get news. This is what happened. So very similarly on a magazine site, people are not looking for a specific story. People are just looking to entertain themselves. People are looking to just read something interesting. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to make a post that is interesting and we're going to share it it and people are going to read it. Just to show you a little bit on how much traffic that this site gets, let's head over to SimilarWeb. I want to show you how much traffic that this site actually gets a month. Over here, we can just type in board panda. You can select this. Okay, and here's a traffic overview of Board Panda. They are getting 32 million visits per month. That's really huge for a website. You can come over here and just check and say for May, they actually got 32 million. Back in April, they actually have 35 million. In March, they have 35 million. And in February, they had 28 million and so on. The other thing to note about Board Panda is that the majority of the traffic comes from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany. These are all very affluent Western-based countries. When you are promoting a product, when somebody from these countries look at a price, it won't be as much of a shock to them as if you were promoting it in a country where it is less affluent. The next thing I want to show you is the amount of traffic that a post could get, for example, in the weight loss category. Over here, let me just refresh this page. Over here, you can see that this post, couples shares before and after photo of their amazing weight loss transformation. This was posted 1 week ago and they have already gotten 55,000 views, right? That's a ton of views. If you actually go off and create a website and try to get 55,000 views in a week, that's not something that you can easily do. But over here, I'm going to show you how you can just make a post and get a ton of views. If you don't have an account, just come up here to the login register button, click on it, select sign up. All you have to do is just put in your email, your full name and your password, click on sign up. They will send you an email. All you have to do is just confirm that email and boom, you have an account already. That's as easy as that. So let me just sign in using my account. So once you're signed in, the next thing I want to do is to add a post. You might be asking, so where do I find the content for this post? I can't spend my time just writing it up. It's going to take me an awful long time. And what if I don't actually have an interesting story? We're going to head over to Google search. And we're going to type in weight loss stories. The product that we're selling revolves around the topic of weight loss. The reason why we add stories is that people like stories. People want to be entertained. It is easier to connect to people and it also evokes emotion. People buy based on emotions, not logic. They may understand what you're trying to say based on logic, but they buy according to emotion. Really, the best way to showcase the product is through stories. Just click on search and you can see that there's a ton of results. And you want to scroll down and look for something that is suitable. Now, here's a tip for you. You really don't want to pick something that belongs to a very large site because, very likely these are professionally written. You don't want to just copy and paste that. You want to look for something that is more personal blogs, Instagram stories and etc. The other thing that you can do to find an appropriate story is that you don't need to find stories on a first page, which are usually dominated by a very large site. You want to just go into, say maybe page 5, page 6 and so on, right? Something that's not on the front page, but it also has a very interesting headline and it also has a very interesting story. Let me show you what an ideal story looks like. So this is a story that I found. If I just scroll down, it has a bit of text, a bit of story. It also has some pictures and it is not too long and it is also not too short. And I'm going to show you why we need. The next thing we want to do is to download these pictures. So just come over here, right click, and you can just click save as images and it should download it to your PC, right? Just go to all the images and click save. So with that done, don't exit out of the page yet because we're going to come back and we're going to cut and paste the story to Board Panda. Head back to Board Panda. We're going to click on add a post. We're going to drag and drop the images that we have saved earlier and upload it to this post. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Here I've already uploaded the pictures. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have to put in the title and the story. Now we're going to come back to the site that we had earlier and all we have to do is just cut and paste that in. You're going to come over here and then copy in the rest of the story. So let me just do that real quick. Now, what is really important here is that you need to make sure that you give the credit to the original author. That way you don't get in trouble. This is a very, very important point. The next thing you want to do is somewhere inside here, we're going to put the link to our ClickBank offer. So the way to do that is that we're going to go back to ClickBank. Let's say we want to promote this offer. So let's click on the promote, enter your account nickname, enter the tracking ID, generate the link. And all you have to do is just copy this link. And I suggest that we use a link shortener. I'm going to be using the bit.ly link shortener. Over here, as you can see, I already done that. I have already created a link. Now we're going to go back to Board Panda, and then we're going to paste this link in here. But let's just put it. And you want to come down, and halfway through you want to just add on. You definitely want to add one on right before the very end, or right at the end, right? And you put that on. So they're going to read this story, and then they're going to see this link, and they come down here, they're going to see this link again, and they come down here, see this link again. So that if they are inspired by this story, you know, they can just click on the link and they can go off and do something about it. That's it with the content of the post. Now we're going to come here and choose a category. So as you can see here, there are really many categories. We can put it into something like, say, people, right? Because this is a story about people. And then we can add tags, weight loss. Best method for weight loss. Okay, weight loss motivation. So anyway, you get the point. You can add whatever tags that you want. If you want to, you can also add a link. So I would suggest that you also add the bit.ly. With that done, our post is done. What you can do is just click on submit. And now if you want, you can just view your post. With that said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And if you do, please make sure that you smash the like button. And of course, if you want more business ideas to make money online, click on the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell. When I release a new video, you'll be the first to know, and you can be the first one to try out my tactics. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.